In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install add-ons in Google Docs. Add-ons can greatly enhance your productivity by adding new features to your documents, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. So, whether you're looking to add extra functionality or automate certain tasks, add-ons can be invaluable. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get started. First, you'll want to open up a document in Google Docs. This is your starting point for accessing the add-ons you'll be installing. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see a tab labeled Extensions up there. Go ahead and click on it. The Extensions menu is your gateway to all the additional tools and functionalities that Google Docs can offer you. Hover over the Add-ons option in the drop-down menu. Here, you'll notice a second option labeled Get Add-ons. Click on that to move forward. This action opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially a store for all the add-ons available for Google Docs. It's here that you can either search for a specific add-on you have in mind or browse through the wide array of options to discover new tools that might be beneficial to your needs. Once you've found an add-on that piques your interest, click on it. This will take you to a page with more detailed information about the add-on, including its features, reviews, and permissions it requires. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, hit the Install button. Now, before the installation can begin, a pop-up will appear. This is an important step that requires your attention because it will ask you to grant certain permissions to the add-on. Review the requested access carefully to ensure you're comfortable with it. If everything checks out, click Allow to continue. With the permissions granted, your add-on will begin to install. Depending on the size and complexity of the add-on, this might take a moment, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done to finalize everything. Now that your add-on is installed and ready to go, you can find it under the Extensions menu, where it may sit in its own submenu depending on its functionality. From there, you can access the add-on to start using it right away. That's it for our guide on installing add-ons in Google Docs. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance how you work with documents. I hope you find the perfect tools to make your document creation more powerful and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with your new add-ons.